The oil and gas industry is being redefined, and AI is leading the charge. From exploration to refining, artificial intelligence is cutting costs, increasing safety, and accelerating smarter decisions. The global AI in oil and gas market is expected to grow from $7.6 billion in 2025 to over $25.2 billion by 2034 at a CAGR of nearly 14%. North America alone is projected to contribute $2.6 billion in AI revenue in 2024. It's not hype, it's happening. Top industry leaders are already applying AI with measurable impact. Shell accelerates hydrocarbon discovery by analyzing seismic data with machine learning faster and more precisely. BP uses its Aura AI system to monitor over 1,000 wells in real time, reducing downtime and even tracking emissions for ESG goals. ExxonMobil applies AI simulations to optimize refining, minimize waste, and boost energy efficiency. Schlumberger deploys AI-powered digital twins to predict hazards and lower drilling costs while improving safety. The future of AI in oil and gas is even more transformative. IoT sensors with AI. Real-time asset tracking and predictive analysis will reduce unplanned outages and increase safety. Self-optimizing refineries. Reinforcement learning models will continuously adjust inputs and outputs, maximizing efficiency while minimizing waste. Autonomous drilling systems. Soon, AI-guided rigs will require minimal human input, using real-time data to make precision drilling decisions. Generative AI applications. From synthetic datasets to automating documentation and designing workflows, generative AI will revolutionize back-end operations. Sustainability and ESG compliance. AI will help companies track, report, and enhance their ESG metrics to meet global sustainability standards. AI is the engine behind the next energy revolution. At ScalaCode, we help oil and gas innovators build scalable, intelligent AI solutions that deliver real results. Visit ScalaCode and let's shape the future of energy together.